This is part 5 of the WYSIWYG training video, and it's the last one in the series. I want to show you how to use a table to arrange your page inside of the WYSIWYG editor. What I'm going to do first is create a new line down here. Actually, I'm going to do it on top of these, so I'm going to go ahead and insert a new line and use this button right here, which is the Insert New Table button. When I click it, it's going to bring up a dialog box that gives me some options. And as you see here, let's pretend that I'm trying to create a page with my testimony, my wife's testimony, and our call to ministry. So I want it divided into thirds. One here, my testimony here, Megan's testimony here, and our call to ministry right here. So what I'm going to do is create a table that has 3 columns in it, 1, 2, 3, and 2 rows, which one for the heading on top and one for all the testimony information on bottom. Once I set my columns and rows, I just click Insert, and now it has input a blank table for me, and it's very small. The reason is it will automatically adjust its size based on the content that I put inside each cell. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. All I need to do is cut the text from where I want it. So I'm going to press Control X to cut, put my cursor inside the first cell, and press Control V to paste. Notice the table resized appropriately. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat that step for each of the pieces of text that I want in my first row. Okay, there they all are, and the table resized appropriately. Now I want to put the detailed text below each heading. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this first set, cut it, and paste it right into there. And do that same step for each piece of text. Notice that the table is resizing every time that I add more content to it. Okay, so there it is. I've divided my screen into 3 different sections. I've got the headings where I want them. I've got the text where I want it. It all looks very uniform. It looks great. And that basically what I've done, and I'm just going to delete some of this extra space. Basically what I've done is created a new layout for my page. And if you can't achieve the layout that you want with the 15-box elastic template that we've given you, this is the way to change that, is by using tables. You can have as many tables as you want in the same article and put as much content as you want within a table. So there's also a lot of options. If I right click here and go into Table Properties, there's a lot of options I can choose. Alignment, I can set the width to be a certain height and height and width to be the same or not, and turn on or off the table caption. In here I can set a background color or border color, a background color, background image. There's all kinds of different things I can do to make this table exactly how I want it. So that's how you would arrange your article with tables.